What's up guys, welcome back to my channel if you're part of my 39 subscribers. If you're not, my name is Steve Daniel and I help content creators make money. Today I want to talk about 4 tips that's going to help you close the deal, right? I've worked in sales for over 10 years and being a content creator made me realize that sales is not something that comes with the skills of being a content creator. So if you're a photographer, videographer, influencer, basically if you're someone with the skills that would love to close more deals, this video is for you. Alright guys, so that being said, closing the deals is something very important, you know, right? Because sometimes as a content creator, you have deal that comes to you and you have deals that you have to go get it, right? So the first thing I want to talk about is the initial call, right? Guys, something that people usually forget is when you want to work with a client, when you want to work with someone, it is important to create the first link, build the relationship. So the first thing you have to do is actually to make a nice call, be professional about it, and make sure that you understand exactly what the client is looking for. At the end of the day, what I love to do about those calls is I have a notepad with me, I take notes of everything that they need. Once the call is finished, I send an email saying thank you again for your time, and I also put the notes that I have. From that, I'm able to build a nice proposal. The second tips I want to talk about is actually part of the negotiation tips that I share in this video that you can click here. Basically, is to ask about their budget, right? When you close a deal, be sure that you can understand the client's flow, right? So don't tell them your price right away because sometimes their budget might be higher than your price. So be sure to ask about their budget. From there, you'll be able to build a nice proposal that will respect what they're looking for. The third thing is something that, guys, like I remember when I worked in sales, something that's so basic, but you have to ask for the sale, right? Sometimes a client want to close with you, they want to sign the deal, they want your service as a photographer or a videographer, they want it, but they don't take it because you actually didn't ask them like, so do you want it, right? So asking for the sale is actually something very important. There's different ways to ask for the sale, right? You can say, when do we start? To what email can I send the invoice? Looking forward to start the business, right? There's a lot of ways for you to ask for the sale, and from there you'll be able to close the deal. Guys, I have to be honest, sales is building a relationship, right? Because at the end of the day, people want to support the people they can trust. They want to work with people that can trust. So building that relationship and be able to ask, to be able to move forward and be proactive and ask for the sale is something very important. The last thing is quite simple, is just to follow up. Guys, simple. You just have to follow up. Actually, there was a statistics when it comes to follow up. Let me actually find it. So the sales statistic says 48% of salespeople never follow up with a prospect, right? So when you have a prospect, you don't follow up. Sometimes the prospect will go with somebody else that decided to follow up. 25% of salespeople make a second contact and stop. So that's why following up is something that you might do more often. Usually I do like 3-4 follow-ups. 12% of salespeople only make 3 contacts and stop. Only 10% of salespeople make more than 3 contacts. 2% of sales are made on the first contact. 3% of sales are made on the second contact. 5% of sales are made on the third contact. 10% are made on the fourth contact. And 80% of sales are made on the 5th to the 12th contact. That being said, guys, you have to be persistent, not too aggressive. You know, just ask. If you want, I'll make another video to talk more about how to follow up. But at the end of the day, you just want to be sure that the client can always know that you're there, that you want to follow up with them. That being said, guys, this was a nice video, quick ways for you to understand how you can close more deals. If you have any question, don't hesitate to write a comment. But like I said, initial call is important for you to be able to assess the client needs, to send an email to say thank you and build a proposal. Asking for the budget to be sure that you have the upper end on the negotiations. Ask for the sales, guys, it's really important, and follow up. Guys, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you Friday for another video. Peace.